Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, it's going to be different, and we are going to move away from the usual uploads that we do have. As you all know, I work as an IT personnel, and right now I am going to take ITIL certification version 4, and I want to take you with me. Um, during this journey. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a recording of all the assessments that will be available to me during this particular stage of the certification. So for now, we are going to take the first um, assessment. It'll be the assessment for introducing ITIL version 4. So we have 5 questions to answer, and there will be another assessment after this one. So identify the missing word in the following sentence. ITIL, the most widely accepted approach to IT service management in the world, is developed, managed, and operated by which organization? Axelos is the answer. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next. Which two courses are specifically part of the ITIL Managing Professional Career Path requirement? Uh, okay, this is going to be hard for me. I do have here something like on the left, ITIL Management Professional. Hold on here. I have to really search for it though. Um, on the left, we see ITIL Management. ITIL, okay. ITIL video description. One moment here. You have to explain the ITIL process. For example, hold on. ITIL, let's take a moment and exercise. Name the modules that must be completed to attain. And finally, hold on. And finally, list the types of video description. Solution. The questions here are hard. I mean, the training was really long, so we need to know contains. Okay. Contains two streams, managing professionals. I think for this one, it'll be which two courses of the ITIL managing professional career path? Hold on here. Video. The diagram explains the certification scheme. The part of the diagram explaining ITIL is highlighted. Yeah, let me go back to the contents. This one. So it goes that you can take. So this ITIL 4 foundation. The ITIL certification scheme has following levels initially. The ITIL Foundation, which is why you are here. Then there is ITIL Specialist Module. There is ITIL Strategist. There is ITIL Leader. The ultimate goal is what we call ITIL Master. One of the main characteristics of the new ITIL 4 certification scheme is that it's now formed by two different designation streams. So to become ITIL manage, this is the answer. So to become managing professionals or ITIL MP, ITIL Foundation 4, ITIL Foundation 4, and then hold on, ITIL Specialist Create, Deliver, and Support. Okay, let's submit it. Let's see how it goes. Now, okay, the correct answer is ITIL Specialist Create, Deliver, and Support, and then ITIL Specialist Drive Stakeholder Value. Okay, moving on to the next, how many minutes does one have to take the ITIL 4 exam? If not taking it in their native or working language, I think it's 75. We got it right. What is the comprehensive framework that ITIL 4 provides to global organizations? Um, Continual improvement. I could do this. Hold on. Provides organization with comprehensive framework work for IT service management, ITSM. It is designed to ensure that an effective, efficient, flexible, coordinated, and integrated system for governance of IT service is established continually improving the organization. So continual improvement. Okay, I'm wrong there. The correct answer is the option is correct. ITIL 4 provides organization with comprehensive. All right, I made a mistake there. Let's just go ahead and move on to the next. Choose the option that best answers the question. What is the question? According to ITIL 4, almost all services today have which characteristics? They are IT enabled. Yep, we got it right. So moving on to the next, we are going to take the test. I don't know how many questions, so 10 questions. Let's go ahead and start the test. Um, in addition to ITIL development group, approximately how many ITIL members help steer the development of ITIL version 4? I think it's about 500. Uh, One moment here. Let me see if I can find it in this module that I took, which now 2,000 members. Okay, it's a community of. The question is, let me close this one. Hold on, let me bring that up here. In addition to ITIL development group, approximately how many ITIL members help steer the development of ITIL version 4? And it, which is now over 2,000 members, and it helps steer over 2,000. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next question for ITIL 4 Foundation Intro. According to ITIL 4, which of these technologies offer fresh opportunities for value creation? Uh, I think it's, I'm not sure about this, but one of them will be blockchain, I guess. Let's see how it goes. This okay. We have memory only storage that's rapidly replacing disk storage, machine learning, and artificial intelligence and IoT, Internet of Things. These offers fresh opportunities for values creation. So it's not here. Machine learning. Fresh opportunities. As we have a blocked. Okay, technology is advancing faster today than ever before. We have developments like cloud computing with infrastructure as a service IS form, platform as a service provider, a PaaS, and software as a service SaaS, and more. We have blockchain technology and hash graph technology. We have, okay, I'm not sure what to answer here, and it leads to, but I know it's going to be Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing. Let's see. Partially correct. There were actually four answers: IS, machine learning, cloud computing, and blockchain. Moving on to the next, which statement is not true regarding ITIL 4? The purpose is to offer organizations comprehensive guidance for the management of. Nope, that's correct. ITIL 4 evolved to provide. Let me just. I'm sorry for that quick interruption. Let me just go ahead and sign back in and then stop my alarm. Okay, going back to this assessment, which statement is not true regarding ITIL 4? ITIL 4 evolved to provide an end-to-end. Now, the version 4 will update will allow ITIL to reflect the existing fast pace. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL 4 evolved to provide an end-to-end. The purpose is to offer organizations comprehensive guidance. Not true. Uh, the version 4 will allow ITIL to reflect the existing paced and complex. I'm not sure if this is right. Uh, ITIL stands. What does ITIL stands for? ITIL stands for. Hold on here. Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Information Technology Infrastructure. That's right. The version 4 update, ITIL 4 will evolve to provide an end-to-end digital operating model covering the full delivery. I think it's this one. Let's see. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. That's fine. Moving on to the next is what is not an official ITIL for question type. Drag and drop for question type. I forgot about this, so let's go back to the module earlier. Uh, I don't see it here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up Google. General, there it is. General or yes or no question. I think it's list. Special question using, yeah, it's list. Let's see. Drag and drop. Okay, I made a mistake there. So 75 passing for this one. I think we made about two mistakes already. What is passing percentage for ITL4? I think it's 77, 65. Which is the valid levels for ITIL certification scheme? Which of these are valid levels? Master, leader, expert, foundation, specialist, practitioner. All right, I'm not sure about that. What is the goal of questioning at Bloom's level? To remember. Which learning outcome domain accounts for almost 50% of the ITIL4 foundation exam? Understand the dimension. No. Know the purpose and key to understand this. No. Understand the four dimensions of service management. I think it's this one. Yep. Which higher level course is common to both ITIL managing professional and ITIL strategic leader career paths? I think it's going to be high velocity. No, plan and improve. Okay, last question. Which is not a core component of ITIL service value system SVS? Uh, ITIL practices. Okay, this one I forgot. It's a long module earlier that I took. So it's hold on here. SVS is supported. SVS or ITIL. Uh, core component. However, the core components of ITIL SVS are the ITIL service value chain, the ITIL practices, ITIL grounding principles, governance, continual improvement. Governance, ITIL practices is there, regulations is not. So this is going to be the answer. Done. I'm not sure if we pass it. We're at 63%. Passing is at 70. Okay, ITIL is not an easy certification to uh, take on. So we really need a lot of studying. This is only, again, the introduction. Moving on, let's try again. What is the passing percentage? It was 65. Oh no, 60. Okay, it was 65. Next question. Which of this are ITIL certification scheme? Let me go back to the module. One moment. The ITIL certification scheme has these following levels: ITIL Foundation, ITIL Foundation, ITIL Specialist Modules, ITIL Strategies, ITIL Leader, ITIL master. Is there ITIL practitioner? None. And there is also no ITIL expert. ITIL master. ITIL leader. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right this time. Which higher level course is common to both ITIL managing professional and ITIL SL career paths? I think it's, was it velocity? Let's see how it goes. Nope, not this one. I think, yeah, let me see. Uh, yeah, it's this one. Let's see. Okay, which learning outcome domain accounts for 50% of ITIL Foundation exam? Uh, I could go back here to the module domain. One second. There are six questions here. 15% domain scheme. Okay, this is hard. Um, choose the option that best answers the question. Which learning outcome domain accounts for almost 50% of the ITIL Foundation for exam? Uh, Let me use this keyword here. ITIL 4 Foundation. Which learning outcome domain? ITIL Foundation learning outcome. Out. Okay, learning outcome. In this video show, I want to examine ITIL 4 Foundation. This learning outcome uh, domain is okay, and the largest outcome domain is domain 7. Understand 7. Understand this one. Yep, we got it right. In addition to ITIL development group, it was 2000. Next question is which statement is not true regarding ITIL 4? Uh, this one is the answer. Which is not a core component of the ITIL service value. Value SVS, value system SVS. I think it was regulations that we answered earlier. Yep. What is the goal of question at Bloom's level? To understand. Oh no, I'm sorry, to remember. According to ITIL 4, which of these technologies offer fresh opportunities for value creation? I think we answer there blockchain, machine learning, IS, cloud computing. Yeah, we got everything right. So we passed it. Oh, we got one more question. What is not an official ITIL? It's drag and drop. All right. Well, we pass the ITIL 4 Foundation Introduction Assessment. There were two assessments. This one was the final. So again, I'm this video goes out to those IT guys who are going to take the ITIL Foundation. This one is like an overview for you to get you prepared for the actual training as well as certification. I hope this video helps you out and it gave you an idea and a thought process on this one. Again, this is going to be my experience in regard to completing the ITIL 4 foundation. I will do more recording about the assessments. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. We do have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You can join there to get updates about UHRS. Now, what I am recording today and uploading is totally different from those things that we do. Remember, I do technical stuffs as well. So this is going to be a start of a new playlist. I'll upload this one on a different playlist. Okay, you have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye.